Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of solutions, homework solution and any type of subject solutions if you need. So you can contact us, you can share our number, you can first subscribe our channel for future purposes and you can also share our number to the other to your friends and family members. So this question is question number 5, which is comment briefly on the following statement, which is create facilities in the flow of capital and speed up the acquisition of new technology, and foreign investment has been considered as an important vehicle of economic growth. Agriculture products from the country have immense export potential and services are important for Indian economy. So if you need answer of these all the questions and other courses too, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Kindly note this number for future purposes and share this number to your friends. Thank you so much.